fire alarm system in Pakistan warns people when smoke, fire, carbon monoxide, or other fire-related emergencies are detected. There can also be speaker strobes that sound an alarm, followed by a voice evacuation message which warns people inside the building not to use the elevators. A fire alarm system can be regarded as your initial defense against a ferocious fire. It not only announces the fire in the surroundings but does much more than that. Firstly, the fire alarm system detects the fire in the nearby surrounding area. It detects smoke and heat. After detection, it alerts people through audible and visible alarms. The people once alerted can be easily evacuated from the building. Protection is the main job of the fire alarm systems.